Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A man was going somewhere, and he was overcome by thirst. He climbed down into a well and drank water from it. When he came out, he saw a dog panting and lapping the mud out of thirst. He said to himself, 'It would be the thirst as was felt by me.' Thus he went down into the well again, filled his leather sock with water. Holding it with his mouth, he climbed up and offered it to the dog to drink. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu approved this noble deed and pardoned him. The people submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do we get reward in connection with animals?' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'You get reward for every living thing.' Hammad bin Salama and Rabi bin Muslim corroborated him from Muhammad bin Ziyad. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2363.